Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone, welcome back to my little jungle. Nope, I'm not in my little jungle. I'm in our living room. So it's still too hot outside, so I just my new plants, its cuttings just arrived, I think noon, but FedEx just left it on our truck's bed. So my husband saw it when he is about to go to work, so he just picked it and gave it back to me. So here we go, we are going to do unboxing, of course, but before I do so, this is what I'm going to have. I asked my husband to purchase it, and these are the plants that I am going to get. We purchased it in Etsy store, and that's how much it cost. And also these are the ones that I'm gonna get actually. Aroids cuttings, Monstera Peru, Monstera Pinnatipartita. Oh my gosh, Philodendrons Green Dragon, Pink Princess, Painted Lady, and Decursiva. That's all I'm gonna get. And if you can see the reviews, there are the reviews. They're sending a pretty plants to their customers, and they have also a video, and I've seen the video already before, because you know this listing, I've listed this plant last year, but I'm just so hesitant to get this. But last week I actually asked my husband to get it for me, so here we go, we are going to unbox it. And ouch. And yep, yeah, I put that to cover my husband's name because it is my husband's name there, and also the address, so he doesn't want the address and his name being published. So let's have this open. Oh gosh, yeah, that's why I always wanted to open the box first before I get those plants, because see, they really do pack it very well, and you know, it's customer service thing. And also they want the plant to be safe on their journey coming over. So if you can see, that's how they pack their plants. And now it's mine. Ooh, purple. Alright, let's just drop it down. Alright, so I got 1, 2, 3. Hi! Got 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, let's just put this back here because that's where I'm going to put my plant, because I did not prepare anything yet for this. No pots yet to put in, because I am planning to put it actually in a water. But anyway, I can see the Pink Princess already. So let's do the Pink Princess, because look, I can see that leaf already. So I'm so excited, because like I said, it's been in my wish list and in my cart for over a year. It was last year actually. So maybe I can just pull it. Nope, it will hurt my plant. So I will need my scissor actually. Where is my scissor? It's here. All right. finally I got Pink Princess. Look how beautiful and how huge this is. This is exactly what I've seen from those customers that already purchased from them. This is actually my second purchase from that seller. It's in from Tropical Plants FL Florida. FL means Florida. Look how beautiful the leaves. I am so excited for this one. Oh, look how beautiful the pinkish. Oh yes, and look the new leaf. I actually have two plants. Let me see. I am so excited to see it. Let's open this one. I mean, remove this. They wrap it with Ziploc baggies. They wrap it with paper towel first, and then wrap it with Ziploc baggies. Oh, I'm getting trouble. I don't want to hurt my plant, so let's do it carefully. All right. Oh my, this is so beautiful. Here, I will just clean my floor later. And it's wet here. They wet it. And like I said, I got two plants in here. A baby one. See? A baby one and a big one. Oh my gosh, I am so happy for my purchase. I'm not going to remove the paper yet, because I would like to do it, put it right away in a water later. So let's get the second one. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. They always do a good job. You know, my last purchase from them, it was last year as well. It's a cuttings of Hawaiian golden pothos, and they did good job for it as well, and they're growing so well outside. It's just my pot, and it's not that nice, so I'm going to do it. Oh, I forgot the name of these, but this is a philodendron as well. See that? They're so pretty. I've been wanting to get one of these. It gets big, you know. I forget the name. I will put the name later, because I will edit the video, of course, to put the name of these plants. So look at that. Oh, this is all right. It's a old leaf. Oh, that's a cutting. See? So wonderful. Thank you so much for this, babies. Okay, let's move this forward there. Oh, because it's trying to fall. All right, next, the third one. They did a good job in wrapping it, although they did not put a anik you know, the styrofoam looking. Oh, another philodendron. Yeah, I forgot the names of the philodendrons. So this is a cutie baby, and I'm sure I will have plenty of growth from here. This is actually the first growth that I got, but it can also grow from here. I'm sorry, here. Yay. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, my love. Equip yourself life skills for getting this for me. And there you go. I don't want to say the name yet, because I don't want to make mistakes, you know. I would like to put the proper name for this one, because I don't want to mislead everybody. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cuttings from here. Oh, so good. 5 cuttings, but we'll see later if there's really 5. But based from my counting, I counted 5 little cuttings. It's not actually little, it's a huge cuttings. Uh-oh. Alright, this is the Painted Lady. I know this is Painted Lady. I know. Oh. Yep, that's the Painted Lady. Finally, I got it. Oh, I'm so happy. Happy me. Okay, take this off. I am so excited. I hope not to destroy anything. Sometimes whenever I'm too excited, I always hurt my plants. So I am trying not to be overexcited. But yay. See, that's so pretty. And there's another one that's going to unfurl. See, a new leaf coming to unfurl. See that? I am so excited. Even talking, I forgot how to talk properly already. See how beautiful it gets. Big. So that's it. And here's the last one. Ta-da! Oh my, that's the last baby. Oh, it's so tight. Alright, okay, let's use scissor. Yeah, that's the use of scissor. Alright, so I also have how many cuttings? 1, 2, 3, 5 cuttings as well. So I also have 5 cuttings with this one. Ooh, look. It's alright, I guess. It's alright. It's gonna do well a little later because I'm going to put in a water. So these all the babies I got from that purchase. Haha, and it's so big. I am so in love with my Philodendrons, especially this Pink Princess, because I've been wanting to have one like these. Yay, so beautiful. So that's all for this video, friends. I am going to do a update video of them whenever they are already sitting in their own pots, little pots. Actually, I'm going to put them in a bottles to rehydrate them first before I put them in a proper pot for them. So thank you all so much for watching my videos, and I am going to thank again my husband, Equip Yourself Life Skills. Thank you so much, my love, for purchasing this for me, and I want more. No, it's a joke. Maybe I want to do more, but different plants, but not this year anymore. I will hold myself from purchasing plants until next year, from next spring. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching my video and for your support all the time, especially my Team Pretty Warriors, my channel members. Thank you so much to all of you. And Team Otso, thank you so much. Cactus family. And I always wanted to thank my Team Pretty Warriors because they're so awesome. So thank you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.